Hello YouTube. This is Evan in 108. I'm back and I'm gonna do a little chopping test with my new Condor Woodworkers axe right here. And then after I fell it, I'm going to go ahead and try hacking through it with my other two that I've already done previously, and just try and compare all three of them together and see what my thoughts are on them. And I am in no way an expert with an axe or machete or anything, and I'm just gonna try my best. And if you guys have any tips for me, please let me know, because I'm all open ears for it, and any criticisms or anything else I'd be more than glad to listen to. Well, anyway, I'm gonna get to it. This tree is only about 6 inches thick. It's not very thick, it's dead. It's been here quite a while. There's no widow makers on top there, so, and checking the fall pattern, it should be somewhere around here. I'm gonna notch it. I think that should be good as far as the notch goes. And I guess right now it's doing all right. As I said before, I'm no way a woods expert or anything, but this is also my first axe, so I can't be too judgmental on its performance. As far as I can tell, it doesn't bite that deep, and but that's probably just my lack of skill. I mean, I touched it up and it's pretty sharp. I think it stays pretty sharp, even though it is a 1055 or 1045, sorry, steel. It's rather soft on the Rockwell hardness, only between, I want to say 45 and 50, so it's rather soft, but it makes it easier to touch up. There we go. Like I said, I really don't know how much to say about it, but overall I don't think it was that bad. And it wasn't overly exerting. I mean, I'm breathing pretty hard, but it wasn't that bad. And yeah, let me get another shot set up for the chopping test.